We're back with breaking updates coming in. And the National Education Policy 2020 has recommended that students will be given an opportunity to improve their performance in the board examinations. A meeting was organized in the Ministry of Education, chaired by the Education Minister Waring. These details were discussed, where in Class 10, 2 board examinations will be conducted from 2025 to 26. My colleague Tejshri is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Tejshri, the draft policy speaks about 2 board examinations. How will this work?
Well, you see, first of all, let us tell the viewers that that how this formulation of draft policy was done. So a meeting was held that was chaired by the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, and in fact, in that particular meeting, this particular decision was taken to formulate a draft and then put it in public domain. So then now, this entire draft has been put in will be put in public domain, and then apart from that, the student, teachers, and the parents, these all will be giving suggestions so as to what will be what do they think on conducting 2 board exams. Remember that, however, board exams for class 10th will be conducted twice, but the centers will remain same. And in fact, not just that, but the internal and practical exams will not be conducted twice. They will be conducted once only. But as far as these exams, the board exams for class 12th are concerned, yes, they will be conducted twice. And in fact, what we are also learning is that this has been done to reduce the stress, the burden on the students. But yes, the exam fee for both the exams will have to be paid by the students itself. That means if you are appearing for one exam, and if you have paid the fee, you will have to pay another fee. You will have to pay the fee also for another exam as well. But now, how the assessment will be done? Will the subjects be chosen among best of 2, or the entire exams numbers will be chosen by the best of 2? That we'll have to see once this final draft is out, and then once the suggestions are taken from the education experts, stakeholders, students, teachers, and parents as well.
Okay, all right. So this is the draft policy that has been developed after wider discussions, and it's available on the CBSE website as well. So, Tejshri, this means that the stakeholders can also respond to it and give their response on whether they are in favor of this policy or not?
Well, absolutely. Stakeholders can also respond to it, and that's why now it's been put on public domain on the website of CBSE itself. And not just the stakeholders, but the education experts as well, the parents, the teachers, the students, all of them who want to give their suggestion, who are liking this move, who are not liking this move, and what kind of changes do they want to make. These all kind of changes, or the kind of suggestions or the advices that they want to give to the education department, that they are open to give, and stakeholders are also open to give their suggestions. Now remember that why this National Education Policy, it is coming under the umbrella of NEP 2020. Several changes have been made under the umbrella of National Education Policy 2020, and we have seen at instances when the syllabus were changed, exam patterns were changed, and in fact what the CBSE says that this has been done to rationalize and reduce the stress of the students. And perhaps now we'll have to see that what stakeholders actually have to say as far as this entire draft policy on CBSE Class 10 board exam is concerned.
Okay, all right. So the National Education Policy 2020 recommending that students will be given an opportunity to improve their performance in the board examinations. This was decided in the discussion that was organized by the Ministry of Education, chaired by the Minister, following the discussions. There have been some decisions that have been taken that in Class 10, 2 board examinations will be conducted from 25 to 26. A draft policy for the same is going to be developed, and this draft policy will be hosted on the CBSE website for getting responses from schools, teachers, as well as parents and students. And accordingly, the draft policy will be developed after these wider discussions. So when will this come into effect, Tejshri, if it's a go-ahead from all stakeholders, and what happens if many disagree?
Well, if many disagrees, then there will be some amendments that will be made in this particular draft. They will be thinking so as to what kind of suggestions the stakeholders have made. And if they think that the suggestions are good enough to include in the draft policy or to amend the draft policy or it is for the benefit of the students, then certainly those kind of suggestions will be included by the education department, by the CBSE particularly. Again, a high level meeting will be chaired, and in fact, as far as all the exams are concerned, these exams will be in two parts, two exams in two different time intervals that these exams will be conducted. And in fact, this particular draft also mentions so as to when this exam will be conducted. There's a time period that's being given for the first exam. There's a time period that's being given to the second exam. But if we talk about the syllabus, that the entire syllabus will be included in both the exams. Students will have to read the entire textbooks as they read in the final exam of class 10 board. In the similar pattern, they'll have to read it for the second exam as well. But now we'll have to see, as I was mentioning, that will it be the best of two for the exams, or will it be the best of two for particular subjects, and what will be happening to the practicals and the internals examination as well. As far as the suggestions from the stakeholders are concerned, that we'll also have to see.
Okay, all right. Tejashree, thank you for joining us with those details. And with that, it's time for us to slip into a very short break here. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.